Welcome to another Jamster production. Thank you for stopping by. This is Trains in the North of England in June 2023. Play that intro. We pick up the action on board a Pendolino on the West Coast Main Line on the approach to Carlisle as we see 66722 crossing the flyover and entering Carlisle North Yard.
Hartlepool train 2107 on platform 5, Dumfries 2111 platform 8, and Whitehaven 2201 platform 2. There are other services available from Carlisle, so please check the notice board and listen to announcements before you board any train.
It's the Jarrow Tanks, matey. 7809 is seen passing through Jarrow Metro Station with 6D43, the 1541 Jarrow to Lindsay Oil Refinery.
Customers are reminded not to take heavy luggage onto the escalators, and at Monument Station is available for step-free access. We also have modernisation work taking place at the lifts for Benton Footbridge. Please see station posters or visit nexus.org.uk for more information.
At Carlisle Station now, and 66744 and 69001 arrive and depart with a weed cooler train for the northeast and northwest of England. Yes indeed, at Langley Mill, and we see 37405 passing from Barrow Hill to an unpronounceable place in Wales. At Ottrington now on the East Coast Main Line, and we see a Transpennine Express Class 802 heading north. And this was closely followed by a Lumo Class 803 working from London King's Cross to Edinburgh. And the real reason for coming here was to see this, a cross-country HST. 43301 is leading 1V55, the 1427 Plymouth to Edinburgh. And that was closely followed by an LNER Azuma heading north. Across the road now looking north, 66303 heading south with an engineering train. Now at Romanby Road level crossing at North Allerton, and 66050 heads north. At North Allerton Station now, and 66749 heads south. Stand well back, an LNER Azuma speeds through North Allerton heading north. "66523 arrives at North Allerton with some camera equipment on the front. This locomotive was doing a tour of the northeast and was filming some footage which could be used for driver training. The locomotive stopped at the platform and the driver changed ends. It then reversed into the rarely used siding just north of North Allerton Station. This view was obstructed, however, as 180-103 arrived from London King's Cross heading to Sunderland. 43-303 leads 43-239 through Northallerton with 1V55, the 1427 Plymouth to Edinburgh. A Lumo Class 803 heads south through Northallerton with a train from Edinburgh to London King's Cross. Now, with hindsight, we probably should have been stood on the opposite platform as 66523 departs the rarely used siding, and LNER Azuma now blocks the view. Having crossed over at the south end of the station, 66523 then heads north to Tyne Yard. We are at Lowgate's level crossing now in Northallerton, and 66114 passes by. And finally a Freightliner convoy with 66587, 66537 and 66544 passing by.